Right now, fears of a measles outbreak in Northern California. A student at a California elementary school with one of the lowest vaccination rates in the state, by the way, came to school infected with the disease just before spring break. That forced the school northeast of Sacramento to shut down, and it is not allowing unvaccinated students back in until April 8th at the earliest. Chief Correspondent Jonathan Hunt is following the story live from our Los Angeles newsroom. Jonathan.
John, officials are fighting to prevent what is so far one case of measles becoming a major outbreak of the highly infectious virus in Northern California. And that's not easy, preventing it in a charter school where almost half of kindergartners are not vaccinated because many parents simply don't believe vaccinations are safe.
You need to do a lot more research on what these additives are doing. That's the reason that these parents are deciding not to vaccinate, not because they don't want their kids protected. Of course not. Of course they want that to happen.
But school officials say they can't take any chances, and unvaccinated children will not be allowed back into the Yuba River Charter School until at least April 8th. Unprotected kids exposed to the measles virus have a 90% chance of becoming infected, according to experts, and the high number of unvaccinated kids at this particular school north of Sacramento creates the danger of a major outbreak because measles is so easily passed on.
So if another person who's susceptible to measles breathes it in during that time, they could potentially come down with it and then spread it along to others.
Now, last year, a measles outbreak was traced to Disneyland, and officials blamed unvaccinated children for spreading the virus, which was declared eradicated in 2000, but has begun to pop up once again. Last year, John, California passed strict vaccination laws for its public schools, and vaccination rates are now higher than 90% in those schools. But the law doesn't apply to charter and private schools, and that situation clearly still has health officials, John, very concerned. John?
Scary stuff for parents. Jonathan Hunt, thank you.